How is it possible that giants like Nvidia, which seemed unstoppable, are now plummeting and dragging the entire chip manufacturing industry down with them? Get ready for a Black September in the stock market. If you ever thought that tech stocks were a safe bet, this past week has proven you wrong. Historic Wall Street plunge. Nvidia and chip sector hit hard. Stocks in the United States saw significant losses on Tuesday, with Nvidia and other chip manufacturers leading the decline. This marks a negative start to September, following a strong finish to the previous month. The Dow Jones and S&P 500 dropped by 1.5% and 2.1% respectively, while the Nasdaq fell by 3.3%. These indexes experienced their worst declines since August 5th. Nvidia's stock, which has been volatile since reporting earnings last week, dropped by 9.5% on Tuesday. The iShares Semiconductor ETF also took a hit, falling 7.6%. Mega-cap tech stocks also took a hit, with Apple, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft experiencing significant losses. U.S. stocks ended August on a strong note, as concerns about the economy eased and expectations grew that the Federal Reserve will soon lower interest rates. On Tuesday, two reports indicated that manufacturing activity remains weak. On Wednesday, data on trade, job openings, and factory orders are expected. Market participants are closely watching economic indicators to predict how aggressive the Federal Reserve will be in lowering interest rates. Jerome Powell has hinted that rate cuts are on the way. The 10-year Treasury yield dropped to its lowest level in a week, while gold futures slightly declined, and Bitcoin fell to around $58,000. Vistra's stock dropped by more than 11%, marking the biggest decline in the S&P 500, due to concerns about energy demand from data centers and oil field operations. Molson Coors, owner of Miller Beer, rose by 5.4%, achieving the best performance in the S&P 500 after completing the sale of several craft breweries to the Canadian company Tilray Brands. Boeing's stock dropped after Wells Fargo downgraded its rating due to concerns about long-term free cash flow and lowered its price target to $119. In summary, the stock market started September with significant declines, particularly in the tech sector, as investors look for further signals about the Federal Reserve's upcoming policies. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, share, and subscribe for more news and tips on economics and finance.